Types of personality. Personality types refers to the psychological classification of different types of individuals. Personality types are sometimes distinguished from personality traits, with the latter embedding a small grouping of behavioral tendencies. They are sometimes said to involve qualitative differences between people, whereas traits might be constructed as quantitative differences. According to type theories, for example, introverts and extroverts are two fundamentally distinct categories of people. According to trait theories, introversions and extroversions are part of a continuous dimension. With many people in the middle, it is important to note that people can have traits and characteristics from all four classifications. A general classification: 1. Type A personality, 2. Type B personality, 3. Type C personality, 4. Type D personality. First, we are going to detail about type A personality. The theory describes individual as ambitious, rigidly organized, highly status conscious, and be sensitive, care for other people, are truthful, impatient, always try to help others, take on more than they can handle, want other people to get to the point, proactive, and obsessed with time management. People who have A personality tend to focus on competition. They love to achieve greatness and they do not like it when it takes a lot of time to experience successes. People with this personality are often working on multiple projects at the same time because they have an almost desperate need to be seen as a winner. They sometimes feel insecure, especially if they are not seen as being successful, and push themselves to the breaking point on a regular basis for the chance to reach their goals quickly. 2. Type B personality. Contrast to type A personality: work stability, enjoy achievement, not become stressed when they are not achieved. People who have a type B personality tend to be more relaxed. They do not take stressful situations personally. They can still be highly competitive, but they do not have the same urgency to see a successful outcome happen. you will find that this personality trait tend to procrastinate a lot, waiting until the last possible second to submit work, and if there is not a firm deadline in place, they will just submit the work on their own time. If given the choice between working or chilling with their friends, they will likely choose the latter. Type C personality love details and can spend a lot of time trying to find out how things work, and things make them very suitable for technical job. Type C are not assertive at all, and they always suppress their own desires even if there is something that they dislike. The lack of assertiveness results in tremendous stress and sometimes in depression. Type Cs are very vulnerable to depression compared to type A and type B. People who have type C personality like to focus on the fine detail of any given situation. They like to get lost in whatever information is available to them to glean out new opinions from the data instead of being assertive about what they want to do. This personality type tend to let other people follow their own path, set their desires aside for a later time. This tend to cause high levels of stress in these folks and often regret, if I had only been little more assertive. 4. Type D personality. Type D stands for distressed, have a negative outlook towards life, and are pessimistic. A small event that is not even noticed by type B can decay type D's day. Become socially withdrawn as a result of fear of rejection, suppressing their emotions, and this makes them the most vulnerable type to depress. People who have a type D personality tend to see the world in a very negative ways. Although there may be situations that most people would find to be optimistic, this personality type will always be pessimistic about any potential outcome. Their outlook towards life itself can be severely negative as well. There is a constant fear of rejection in some way, which often causes this personality type to live a fairly isolated life. This is the personality type that has the highest risk of suffering from depression at some point during their life. B. Glance classification. Choleric, irritable, melancholic, sad, phlegmatic, sleepy, sanguine, smiling. C. Kretschmer's classification based on bodily build. Asthenic, thin, long limb, narrow chested. Picnic, short, fat, barrel chested. Athletic, strong, sturdy limb, bones. D. Lippitt's classification based on leadership. Authoritarian, decision within. Democratic, seeks consensus. Lazy, fair everyone act. E. Sprengel's classification based on values. Theoretical, neglect social, political. Economic, interested money. Aesthetic, love beauty. Social, interested social activity. Political, desire of power. Religious, devote. F. Saldon's classification based on physical dimensions. Endomorphic, round, fat, soft. Ectomorphic, delicate, learn. Mesomorphy, hard and muscular. G. Ogban's classification social psychology. First, revolutionist. Second, leader. 3, proud. 4, gambler. 5, exhibitionist. Height, Jung's classification. Extroversion involves social activity. Introversion immersed in his. Indian classification. Philosophers. Sattva, soft speaking, gentle, honest, truthful. Raju, assertive, dominant, heroic. Damo, untruthful, criminal. Thank you. Have a good day.